Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are fine and doing well. Today's video is about the types of loans, from personal loans to mortgages and more. So let's get started with our video. Whether you are going to college, getting married, buying a car or house, or perhaps have a more uniquely personal expense on the horizon, different types of loans suit different borrowers. It's wise to familiarize yourself with these types of loans and their finer details. So let's get started with our finer details. So if we talk about the loan types, then the number one is personal loan. Funds for a wide array of personal needs and desires. It is basically can be used for a variety of expenses that can go by various names. Though many of them work similarly, lenders may give them specific purpose driven titles and offer varying terms depending on each purpose. For example, Lightstream currently offers one type of loan specifically to pay for a wiring and another purpose made for financing home improvements, with each loan type having its own interest rate range. So its repayment is 1 to 5 years, then APR is 5.94 to 35.99%. Its credit score is 600 depending on the lender. Through a co-signer can help. Though a co-signer can help. So the number two is mortgage. Mortgage, also known as home loan, allows you to borrow finance what is likely to be the biggest purchase of your lifetime. There are various types of mortgages for different borrowers, including first-time home buyers and military veterans. Like with auto loans, failing to repay your mortgage could result in a foreclosure and eviction. Its repayment terms is 15 to 30 years. APR hit record lows in 2022 to 2021. Credit score, the higher the better, with the 600s being a common baseline, but a score in the 500s could be enough to secure Federal Housing Administration FHA home loans. The next one, number three, is student loan. Most new and outstanding student loans in the US are federal loans, meaning they are held and managed by the Department of Education. Millions of families have also relied on private and alternative student loans to bridge any remaining gap in their school's cost of attendance. Student loan repayment is notoriously fraught with pitfalls, making it treacherous for borrowers who aren't familiar with the other options. Repayment terms is 10 to 25 years for federal loans, 5 to 15 years for private loans. APR is 3.73 to 6.28% for federal loans. Then credit score is NA for federal loans, good credit, or cosigner for private loans. The next one is auto loan. Borrowing money to pay for an asset that quickly and continuously depreciates in value isn't ideal, but if you need wheels, an auto loan could be your best remaining option. You could shop around with financial institutions as well as car companies and dealerships. Just keep in mind that your car could be seized if you fail to repay your loan. Always make equal comparisons by looking at APRs, loan terms, and other details of each lender's quote. If you have excellent credit, you might even qualify for an introductory rate of 0%. Repayment terms is 2 to 7 years. APR is average rates for new cars in 2020 range between 2.65 to 14.20% depending on credit worthiness. Credit score is no minimum, but a score in the 600s should keep your APR in single digits. The next one, number 5, is payday loan. Payday loan is designed to advance your wages. You might be tempted to borrow a payday loan to cover an unforeseen expense before your paycheck hits your checking account. Payday loans are typically considered predatory debt. However, because of the short repayment periods and often triple-digit APRs, not to mention fees, you might borrow $500 but end up repaying thousands of dollars. Because they are risky and costly, consider payday loan and alternatives such as cash advances on your credit card. Repayment terms is 7 to 120 days. APR is average rate approaches 400%. Credit score is not a factor here. So these are the types of the different types of loans that some banks are providing. I hope you have gained much information about the loans, about the types of loans, and every single detail about the types. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share the video with your friends, with your relatives, comment below in the comment section. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.